Hey everyone. If your Shopify store feels slow, yeah, that can seriously hurt conversions and ads performance. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your store speed step by step. First, open Shopify admin and go to Online Store. Then Themes. Check your store speed score. Large images slow everything down. I mean, compress images before uploading and use modern formats when possible. Next, review installed apps. Uninstall anything you're not actively using. Apps often add background scripts. Too many sliders, pop-ups, or animations can impact performance. Yeah, keep your design clean and lightweight. If your theme is bloated, consider switching to a speed-optimized theme. Review tracking codes and external scripts. I mean, remove anything unnecessary. Lazy loading delays, off-screen images. Yeah, many themes already support this. After changes, recheck your speed score. Compare improvements, and that's it. A faster store means better user experience, higher conversions, and stronger SEO. Yeah, totally worth the effort.